Hey guys, welcome back to the Digdady video. The Canterbury Car Club Circuit Sprints. Round 3, run 2 of the club circuit. In the wet. Better hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell so you know when we upload more videos. Alright, let's get ready. And we're away. Oh, wheel spin. Not the greatest start, but we're away. Now, the Golf's in a different class. He's a class 5, so he's in the quicker class. I'm class 4. So, fair enough, he's getting away on us. That's okay. We're here to have fun. Very wet out there. Haven't checked out our last video on this one, we'll leave it up in the top right corner. Make sure you check that one out. Right, coming up to the left-hander. Oh, block the brake. Oh, we're sideways. Oh, we're gonna back. And we're gonna get in the next corner. Yeah. Oh, just kept it on track. Down into the tipper. Here we go, back out. Wondering who is this knob? And then around the rock corner onto the front straight, getting close to the wall there. Quite a nice shot that we go past. Looking around, don't know why. No one behind us. Oh, it's squealy. We come out safe. Through to the link. Nicely done, not curb hopping today. Into the small hairpin here. Oh, we drifted again. We come through the waters into the tipper. A little bit squealy, a little bit loose in the rear, I think. Still been able to manhandle this car quite well. Up to the front straight. Go, you good thing. A slap. Missing the apex, but still taking it quite nicely. I say big shout out to our sponsors, Stanmore Auto Parts and Digmax Earthmoving Attachments, for getting us out on track. I'll leave their links into the description. Go check them out. Right, last time around this corner. Gonna make it nice and tidy here. Yes. A little bit twitchy, but still going. There, down into the tipper. Nice. That power down, boy. Oh, close to the wall there. And with that, takes us to the end of the video. Cheers guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Make sure you like and subscribe.
couple of wee moments.
Yeah.